So I just opened up the test flight for Project Graveyard. This is a early version of an update I'm working on for this fall. So this version is mostly going to have feature parity with what's in the App Store right now on visionOS 1. The problem is the one in the App Store doesn't run very well on visionOS 2. It doesn't perform very well, and a lot of the hacks that I did with the 2D UI inside the volume no longer work in visionOS 2. So if you're on visionOS 2, jump on the test flight and just use this one until the fall. And I'd appreciate any feedback along the way. So the biggest change, we now have a detached editor window. So instead of selecting a card and seeing it appear over top of the volume, that now shows up as this little open editor button, and this is kind of a universal inspector for all of your gravestones later on your objects and things, but also your scene. You can change like lighting, rain, turn the text on and off. You even have a default window placement where you want this to show up when you first open it. So right now it opened to the right. If I change this to the left and close this, next time I open it, it opens up over there. I'm going to put it back to the right because that's where I like it. And then let's turn our text back on and see what else has changed. So you can still move things. You can use the two-finger pinch to scale and rotate things. You can tap and hold to lift something up and move it around, and then just drop it. And then you can also, with the editor open, just look at any one of these and select, and it'll populate a form for you if you want to edit that. This is probably going to turn into a more sophisticated detail editor later, but for now, it's just the form. And if you don't have anything selected, you've got a button to add a new project. So nothing selected, tap on a gravestone to edit a project or add a new project. So that's it for the editor. The other big change is the volume is now resizable. So you can make it very small, maybe just something to place on your desk as a little desk toy, or you can make it kind of absurdly large. It's almost hard to manage at some point. So you can get some weird effects like that. And yeah, definitely need to work on the large scale. Volumes now tilt as well, but I don't have any control over that. That's more of a automated thing by the system based on your placement. Let me see. The only known issue is still the same one. If you already have Project Graveyard and you had deleted it from your device, the first time you install it, it may not load your data. Just force quit the app and then relaunch it, and you should be good to go. So please jump into the test flight and let me know any feedback you have. From here, I'll be adding more customization. I want to add new gravestones. I want to add new colors, new text options, other things to add to the graveyard, other models and lights and effects and things like that. But for right now, I just wanted to get a feature parity version out first, so we at least have something functional. All right, thank you.